Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Skyrim on a low-end PC. First, let's get your system ready. Begin by updating your graphics drivers to their newest versions. This is crucial for performance. Next, make sure your operating system is fully updated and close any applications running in the background that you don't need. Also, confirm your computer meets Skyrim's minimum system requirements. For quicker loading screens, consider installing the game on a solid-state drive if possible. Now, let's dive into Skyrim's in-game settings. A major performance boost comes from lowering the game's resolution. Try setting it to 720 pixels or even 900 pixels. Significantly reduce shadow quality and shadow distance, as these are very demanding. Turn off anti-aliasing and anisotropic filtering entirely. Finally, adjust texture quality to medium or low, especially if your graphics card has less than 2 GB of video memory. These changes will make a big difference. Next, we'll explore the power of performance-enhancing mods. Start with essential optimization mods, such as the unofficial Skyrim Special Edition patch, which fixes many bugs and improves stability. Look for texture compression mods. These can significantly reduce video memory usage while maintaining decent visuals. Also, consider mods that simplify or remove demanding visual effects like volumetric fog or God rays. Finally, some mods can reduce the number of non-player characters or objects in crowded areas, further boosting your frame rate. For advanced users, editing the Skyrim prefs. An iFile allows for fine-tuning specific graphics settings beyond the in-game menu. Alternatively, a tool like BethINI can simplify this process, offering an intuitive interface to optimize your INI files effectively. Remember to regularly clean your save files. Bloated saves can lead to stuttering and crashes over extended play sessions. Lastly, ensure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM, which is highly recommended for a smoother and more stable Skyrim experience on a lower-end system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.